Maria Johan Faye C. Santalan with honors.
Picture ko daw kayo.
Magandang buhay mga tugang! Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Teacher Dig. Yes, yes, yes! Congratulations, Madam Faye! Parang kailan lang, nagsimula pa lang siya sa kanyang journey sa school, ngayon grade 3 na siya sa Centex Manila. At syempre, patuloy na pinapakita ang kanyang sipag at dedikasyon sa pag-aaral. Consistent honor pupil, at talagang nakakatuwa at nakaka-proud makita ang kanyang achievements. Alam namin na hindi laging madali ang pag-aaral. May mga araw na kailangan ng extra effort at syaga at kitang-kita namin kung gaano ka kaseryoso sa iyong mga goals. At syempre, congratulations din sa kanyang mga kaibigan at sa kanyang mga kaklase.
NCR with base, Math Premium Quiz-Bee, Champion, National Math Quiz-Bee and Science Quiz-Bee Participant, Bronze Medalist 2025, Championship Toddler from this edition, Silver Medalist PTA National Quiz, Type 1 Championship Toddler, Novice Division, Silver Medalist 2025 PTA Metro Manila, Championship Toddler, Novice Division, with high honors. Kanaski, Christine G. Lutanda, with honors. Samuel Austin M. Dueñas, with honors. Kylie P. Fernandez, Regional Skills and Talents Growing, NCR 6th place, with honors. Kaylee and Angeline P. Gomez, with honors. Isaiah B. Gordo, with honors. Kian Leonard Lorenzana, with honors. Zoe Isabel R. Melencio, with honors. Maria Lisa Nicole P.C. Mendez, with honors. Angel Jesu Ireseo, with honors. Maria Johan Faye C. Santalan, with honors.
Picture ko daw kayo.
Lucas Joel S. Valentino, Bronze Medalist 2025 Sports Foundation, National Age Group Taekwondo, Championship Grade School Male Division, Bronze Medalist PTA National Blue Phase Taekwondo Championship, Gold Medalist 2025 Inter-School Championship Toddler, Gold Medalist 2025 PTA Metro Manila Age, Regional Math Trivia Quiz-Bee, NCR 2nd place, Regional Science Trivia Quiz-Bee, NCR 2nd place, Regional Skills and Talents Solo Singing, NCR our second place, SELG Grade 3 representative with high honors.
Congratulations, Madam Faye! We are so proud of you. Hindi lang dahil sa honors mo, kundi dahil sa kung sino ka bilang isang bata. Mabait, masipag, at syempre may respeto sa kapwa. Sa pag-akyat mo sa susunod na grade level, nandito lang kami para sumuporta palagi at lumabay sa'yo. Sana ipagpatuloy mo lang iyong kasipagan at patuloy mong abutin ang iyong mga pangarap. We love you so much at excited kami sa lahat ng mararating mo. Keep shining and keep believing in yourself. God bless!